How to create an email template in Zoho CRM. First, open Zoho CRM and make sure you're on your homepage. Next, at the top of the screen, you'll see a tab called Contacts. Click on that because, for this example, we're going to send an email to our contacts. Now, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Actions. Click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Mass Email. In the top right corner, there's another button that says Create Mass Email. Go ahead and click on that. On the next screen, you'll see a button that says Select Template. Click on it. After you click Select Template, you'll see an option that says Create Template. Click on that so we can start making a new one. Now, you have a choice. You can either use one of Zoho's pre-made templates or create one yourself. For this example, let's pick a pre-made one. Find Birthday one, hover your mouse over it, and click Select. You're now in the template editor. First things first, give your template a name by typing it into the box in the top left corner. Right below the template name, there's a spot for the subject line of your email. This is what people will see when they receive your email, so type something that fits. On the left side, you'll see different components like text boxes, images, buttons, etc. You can drag and drop these into your template to design it the way you want. Just play around with it until it looks good to you. If you want to include attachments in your email, click on Attachments in the top right corner. Look over your template and make any final edits. Adjust the text, images, or anything else you need to tweak until everything looks perfect. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on Save in the top right corner. Zoho will ask if you want to save now to make it final or save draft if you want to come back and finish later. Click Save Now if you're done. And that's all there is to it. You've now got a custom email template ready to use in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.